Well, good morning. Welcome to the Sheriff's Office. Today we're going to discuss the officer-involved shooting that happened in Shelby Township, Michigan on June 3rd, 2025 at approximately 3:16 p.m. Up here is Tony Wickersham, Macomb County Sheriff, Deputy Chief Jason Schmittler from the Shelby Township Police Department, and our prosecutor, Peter Lucido. So I've already said the date and time. The incident happened in Van Dyke and 22 Mile. The location of the traffic stop was the Hotspot Coffee Shop, located at 48761 Van Dyke in the township of Shelby. Involved in this incident are two Shelby Township police officers, both with 7 years of experience with the department. Only one officer was involved in the shooting. This whole incident elapsed at 32 seconds. The deceased has been identified as Thomas Antonio Jackson. He was 41 years old and resided in the city of Troy. The vehicle he was driving was a 2019 Dodge Caravan, which was registered to his mother. And these are the facts of the case. Jackson was stopped for a traffic violation. He fled the scene on foot. An officer gave chase, asking him to stop. A taser was deployed 2 times, which was ineffective. As you'll see in video that we will play, Mr. Jackson pulled out a handgun and continued to run. A second officer arrived, and you will hear him yelling, "Gun, gun." Mr. Jackson was ordered to drop the gun. Shots were fired by one Shelby Township officer at Mr. Jackson. A total of 8 shots were fired. Mr. Jackson was hit 5 times, once in the rear leg, once in the buttocks, and 3 in the upper front torso. Aid was rendered to Mr. Jackson by Shelby Township officers. Shelby Township Fire Department transported Mr. Jackson to Corwell Health in Troy, where he died from the gunshot wounds. Mr. Jackson had a 9mm Ruger P95 pistol in his possession. That pistol was reported stolen out of the city of Detroit in 2023 in a larceny from auto complaint. At the time of this incident, his license was suspended and he had several valid warrants for his arrest. The Macomb County Sheriff's Office was asked to investigate as an independent agency in this investigation. Our detectives gathered all information, body camera and car camera, canvassed the area to get all factual information. On completion of securing all factual information and evidence, the case was presented to the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office, where it was deemed a justified shooting. At this time, Prosecutor Lucido has a comment, and then after his comment, we will show you the video, and then we will take questions. Prosecutor?
Thank you. Thank you, Sheriff. Good morning, everyone. As the Sheriff has indicated, to ensure that there is no appearance of impropriety, as any other shoots that happen here in Macomb County, the Sheriff Department basically has the resources as well as the wherewithal, the skill and the knowledge to identify those issues that are deemed within a shoot of a sheriff or any other law enforcement official. As a result, this matter was fully investigated, and an exhaustive review of the investigation came to the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office Major Crime Unit. That unit is comprised of individuals who have superior skill, knowledge, to discuss all of the evidence, all of the information, all of the body cams, as well as any other evidence that was presented. And after an extensive discussion among the unit members, they concluded this was a justified shooting and no charges would be authorized.
Thank you, sir. Our investigative team did meet with the family members yesterday. They do have an attorney that we have been corresponding with. Before they see this video, we wanted to make sure that we sat down and showed it to them. This type of incident is hard for everybody involved. the officers involved, and the family.